Hi everyone, this is my graduation post. I would like first to thank everyone in this group and to thank all my teachers. You were all inspiring in your own way, and I learned so much with you, and I cannot wait to apply it. I was so sad at the beginning when I knew that the in-person certification was cancelled, but I'm really grateful that I decided to do it online because I was really surprised by the quality of the teaching and everything. So, like everyone said, it's just the beginning, and maybe we will meet one day in another certification. We never know. So again, thank you everyone for your sharing, and see you. Bye-bye.